My name is Derek Wolf. I'm from Nashville, Tennessee. I run Over the Fire Cooking. So my guest today is Danielle Prewett from Wild and Whole, and she is an amazing hunter, a craftsman in her art, as well as fire cooking, getting outdoors and exploring in nature.
My name is Danielle Prewett. I am from Houston, Texas. I started a blog called Wild and Whole, and I am also a MeatEater Wild Foods cooking contributor. One of the things I love most about being outdoors is that it's a way of reminding me what it means to be human on a very primal level. And that's because we get so caught up in our everyday world and traffic and work and social media. Being outside is a time to slow down, breathe, and just remember what's most important in life. I am really looking forward to today because I have followed Derek in Over the Fire Cooking on Instagram to learn from him how to build a fire and cook the meat in the best way he knows possible is going to be really fun.
You ready to cook over fire?
Yes.
Let's go. Let's go and grab some rocks and we'll build this fire pit.
Perfect.
And there we go. Nice little fire ring.
Perfect.
There's like a couple ways to build a fire.
Okay.
And it really comes down to what's your goal. So I do what I call what's called a log cabin style.
So it's Jenga.
Yeah, it's like Jenga. Today we're cooking venison backstrap medallions. We're gonna do a buffalo trace deglazing of the pan that'll go on top. We have some fresh asparagus, prosciutto from a local butcher here as well. We also have some golden potatoes, garlic, some sea salt, and a few other seasonings to go on top. Preheat the cast iron real quick.
Okay.
And get maybe a couple of minutes and let this butter get down. I didn't even really think about the best way. All right, so we'll get these guys rolling and we'll get nice and charred up. Oh no! Oh, I've done that before.
I recently went on my first chukar hunt. They roost in the rocks and they run uphill to evade. These birds continue to outclimb the bird dogs, and you climb and then you finally get a point. It's probably one of the most elated feelings I've ever had because the most memorable hunts are always the most challenging or the most difficult. Venison backstrap is probably the prized cut of every deer. The best way is to treat it like a steak. Grilling it to medium rare is perfect, and I love exploring other ideas such as sous vide with backstrap too. So how are we seasoning this?
We're gonna go sea salt and black pepper, put it right on the skillet. And
Yep. Simple.
Yeah, simple, delicious.
When I wake up in the morning, drinking coffee on my balcony, trees are dancing to the whistle of the wind. Lord, I'm thankful for everything. When it's dark, light my way. Bless my heart, Lord, bless my day. I had a hard time, but you've always been around. Please don't leave me, Lord, stay around. From the cradle to the grave,
was good.
That's really good.
Perfectly seasoned, simple but still flavorful.
Something
you
you
can
can
still tell
do.
it's venison.
Yeah.
You know it's not beef.
And something you can do, like you got back from the hunt, it's nothing that is too crazy that you need out of your kitchen.
Yeah. Or you can do it after the hunt if you're in the field. I feel like I learned a lot about how to build a proper fire to distribute heat even, which is key for cooking anything. And I love that I got to share my experience with wild game, what it means to me, and how that all comes together.
All in all, at the end of the day, I think we find both of ourselves around a fire, eating good food, drinking good bourbon from Buffalo Trace, and just having an awesome night.
This has been awesome. I will just shoot something and bring it to you. Ta-da!
Let's cook.
Yeah.